Mommy, guess what I did this week?
Tell me about it.
I made this elephant. First, she had to go through 3 phases. I had to design her on a computer, and then she had to be printed, and then I had to put her together, and I decorated her.
Wow. So you learned a lot about fabricating and designing and fabricating toys.
Mm-hmm. And this is a tower from a 3D printer.
And you had to design this in the computer before it printed?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
And if you look really, really closely, you can see there's something written there.
Oh my, what is it?
Dragon Crest.
Of course.
And then I made this keychain just today.
Oh.
Just
More
pretty.
dragons?
DNT.
And so again, you had to plan this out on the computer? And then it got printed out?
And then we got printed out. We had to like grip it together, and then it was fun.
That's why we like Code Explorers. My daughter gets to learn things that she would never learn anywhere else, especially at school, and she loves it. She's been going for 2 years now, and it's like her favorite thing. She comes home excited, pink cheeks.
Wishing I could never leave.
Wishing she could never leave. So, and hopefully it'll help her a lot as she
gets smarter and grows up.
Exactly. So.